Today I've got something that could seriously change your income game, earning up to $12,000 per month by re-uploading videos on YouTube. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's possible, but before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. This is all about doing it the right way, legally and strategically. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about re-uploading videos is that it's illegal or that you need to have tons of experience to get started. But that's not true. But the truth is, as long as you're doing it the right way, re-uploading videos can be completely legal and lucrative way to earn money online. The problem is that most people don't know where to start or how to do it effectively. Another common challenge people face is the fear of getting in trouble with copyright laws. And I get it, it can be intimidating. But the reality is that there are plenty of ways to re-upload videos while staying within the bounds of the law. It just takes a bit of knowledge and some savvy marketing skills. And then there's the idea that you need to have a ton of experience or some kind of fancy equipment to get started. But I'm here to tell you that that's not true. With the right strategy and the willingness to learn, someone can start earning a significant income through videos re-uploading, regardless of your background or experience level. So how do you find content to re-upload that is going to make you money? Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how to get started. Hey Brainiacs, welcome back to Brain and Bank. If you're new here, I'm John, and thanks for joining us. Our first step to doing this is identify a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a high demand. From there, you can start searching for videos that are popular and have the potential to be re-uploaded. It's all about finding the sweet spot where you can create a video that is going to resonate with people and drive traffic to your channel. Step 2 is finding free and legal content. The most important part is where you find content to re-upload. Well, this is where public domain and royalty-free videos come in. A lot of people think it's complicated, but it's not. Let me show you some great places to get started. Public domain content is amazing because it's completely free for anyone to use. It's like the internet's best kept secret. For example, did you know that NASA offers stunning videos for free? Yeah, we're talking about breathtaking space footage that is not copyrighted, and you can use it legally. It's perfect if you are in the educational or tech niche. Another treasure trove is the US government archives, which have tons of historical footage. You can find this on the 4.5 public domain project, which has remastered a lot of these videos, making them perfect for your YouTube channel. All of this is free to use without worrying about copyright strikes. Then we have royalty-free platforms. Now, if public domain content isn't your thing, or maybe it doesn't fit your niche, you can also check out royalty-free platforms like Pixels and Pixabay. These platforms gives you access to thousands of high-quality royalty-free videos that you can use commercially. But here's the catch. Some of these might require you to credit the original creator. So always make sure you read the terms and conditions before you use the footage. But hey, a small credit in your video description is nothing compared to the content you are getting for free. Step 3 is content creation strategy. Alright, now that you know where to find content, let's talk about how to actually create videos that will get views and, more importantly, make you money. It's not just about throwing up random clips and hoping for the best. you need a strategy. One of the best ways to maximize your content is by creating what I call content marathon. Basically, you take several short videos in the same topic and stitch them together into one longer comprehensive video. Why does this work? Because YouTube loves longer videos. It keeps viewers engaged for more time, which boosts your rankings in the algorithm. Let's say you are in the fitness niche. You could take multiple short workout clips, add a voice note or some tips between each clip, and boom, you've got a 20 minutes video that people will watch all the way through. And with longer videos, you can place more ads, which equals more revenue. Next, we have repurposing long form content. Another tactic is repurposing long form content. This is where you take a podcast, a webinar, or a live stream and chop it up into smaller bite-sized videos. Not only does this give you multiple pieces of content, but it also increases your output without having to create anything new. The key here is efficiency. More videos, more chances to rank on YouTube and get noticed by viewers. And don't worry if you feel your niche doesn't fit in. This works across the board, whether you are in fitness, tech, education, or even entertainment. Step 4 is optimizing your videos for success. Now this is where the magic really happens. Optimization. It's not enough to just post videos. You've got to make sure they get found. That's where SEO comes in, and I've got some tips for you. Adding value to the content. To keep things legal and avoid copyright issues, you can't just re-upload content as it is. You need to add value. This could be as simple as adding your commentary, providing educational insight, or even just giving a fresh perspective on the content. You could do a reaction video or a 5 top takeaways from a public domain video you found. By adding value, not only are you keeping yourself out of trouble, but you are also making the content more engaging for your viewers. And YouTube loves content that keeps viewers watching longer. Metadata and SEO. Then there's the technical stuff, your metadata. This includes your video's title, description, and tags. This needs to be packed with relevant keywords that people are searching for. Think about what your audience is typing into the search bar and use those phrases. And don't forget your thumbnail. Your thumbnail needs to stand out. Bright colors, big fonts, and something that makes people want to click. That's your first impression. And if people don't click, they will never see your awesome content. Step 5 is where you monetize and scale up. Now, let's talk about the money. To start earning, you need to meet YouTube's requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, if you're posting consistently 3 to 5 times a week, you'll get there faster than you think. Once you're in the partner program, you can monetize through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, you name it. And here's a tip. Diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Look into affiliate marketing and even selling your own digital products. Step 6 is to stay legal and smart. Finally, let's make sure you stay on the right side of the law. It's really important that you respect copyright laws, stick to public domain and royalty-free content unless you have explicit permission to use copyrighted materials. Also, always transform the content by adding value. Getting hit with a copyright strike can take down your entire channel. And trust me, you don't want that. So always play it safe and follow the rules. So there you have it. everything you need to start earning up to $12,000 per month by re-uploading videos the right way. It's all about finding the right content, adding value, optimizing for SEO, and scaling up your efforts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.